Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ulam phang ka Ïing Dorbar Thawaiñ Batamai ka Jylla Thomas Sangma. Ulang bahadian ka jingelang balaya dan lang bagi kenuhun kaliang persya. Larai ban pelong ya ka Dorbar Mang Tyngka lani ka budget session Naduh ka arpau Tarik Lber, Haduh ka arpu pra Tarik Lber hajar arpu lahi. Ya kani Thomas ulakran bikilat patai kubor menta ka singi ka khatlai Tarik Lber hajar arpu lahi. Ha ka slem trekam ka jong u, ha ka ba ulang ba arsengi lamang na ka bentaki private member bill. Thomas ulang ruk bahag kasni shong Dorbar ka baningkong andan ruk ka jingjiet yu sembut lampang ka Ïing Dorbar Thawaiñ ka Jylla. Habakali lawan itu yu nong yalam kaliang persya na kaliang Thomas ulang bola yu ya ka jingtho na ka seng Congress bat AITC andai Haduh menta uklempat yu jingtho AA na ka seng VPP bat banjiet yu nong yalam kaliang persya Thomas Sdang ya keren biki arteli ki seng kata ka Congress bat ka AITC.
Actually, we have cut down some of the private members' bills, which we intend to have it give them enough time on the next session, maybe autumn session. This time we only allocated 2 days for private members' bills. Otherwise, I think it should be okay.
So can we expect the election of the deputy speaker also to be held?
Yes, it will be held on the first day itself, on 28th. So we are giving out notifications from tomorrow. So that intending candidates can file their nominations, and we'll have the election on the first day of the budget session. My first, in the speaker's chairs, my first day, the Business Advisory Committee meeting took place today, where all the members were present. Our Minister in charge of Parliamentary Affairs, then from the opposition side, Charles Bingro and Dr. Celestine Lindo, and also Lakmin Nambui were the members. So all of us attended in this meeting, and we decided to have a full budget session starting from 28th March till 28th of the same month, 28 March 2023. And we did also we decided that since it is a budget, financial year ending month, so our officials and the government also needs to clear all the pending financial issues. So we decided to end the budget session on 28th itself. So 29th, 30th and 31st will be available for the officers and the secretariat and all the district officials to clear the financial dues. It's a 7 days, it is a 5 days, 5 days government business.
But usually we have seen that the budget session continues for at least 15 days. So
we'll try to make up. It is in the discussion of the speaker, so I may extend the time. I have sat in the parliament where the parliament discussion went till midnight, 12 a.m. at midnight. So I don't think we can also have, if not till midnight, at least late till evening 5-6 o'clock we can have, if necessary, if required.
Will you be giving opportunity for the opposition to have the deputy speaker?
It's up to them. If they file their nominations, everyone is welcome with it.
If you don't file, then they will get.
Of course. Like me, I think the deputy speaker will also be elected unopposed.
So will you recognize, the leader of opposition? How will you deal with this situation?
Yes, this office is examining the matter. I have received applications from the Congress and AITC, but the third VPP has not submitted any kind of indication to be part of the opposition, no stay here, no stay there. So I've only received a request from only both the parties, two parties.
And their request is to recognize them as a forum, or?
No, not as a forum. It's a separate. They are both separate entities.